It's important that manufacturers promote the mission of growing the manufacturing sector in Georgia, making it stronger, so that we are more competitive both with other states and with other countries around the world. That helps increase the tax base. It has multiple benefits for all of us.
The best reason to become a corporate sponsor is because you want to give from your experience, not because you see an opportunity to get something for yourself. Okay, so what becoming a corporate sponsor can do for you is it can expand your boundaries and it can expand your territory. It can give you more opportunities, and what those opportunities look like is those are opportunities to share your expertise and share your experience with people that may not have access to it. So I would encourage them to consider becoming a corporate sponsor if they are prepared to invest time, energy, and money helping others do well.
Do it for the right reasons. Spread the word for the right reasons and the business will come. It's just like any kind of networking event. So as time went on, me and Jason, we've done all kinds of things together. The first time we went around the state and promoted GMA and did a lot of plant tours. We took my little Cessna that's parked right here in the Gainesville airport. We flew it around this great state and promoted GMA and promoted products made in Georgia. That was back in 2014. So from 2014 until now, things have went really well. I actually made the connection of Ranger Lock to form it into Ranger Manufacturing through things that I was doing with GMA. My partner sought me out because of how well I was connected in the state because of things like GMA and our local chamber. So I would say that Ranger Manufacturing exists because of GMA, and that's a huge plus for us. It's a huge plus for GMA. It makes sense. The way this was started was for the little guy like us to be able to go out there and learn what the big guys are doing, and us, kind of iron sharpening iron, learn from the best. Let's do everything we possibly can to make things work for this great state.
Being another benefit of being a sponsor of GMA is that it acts like an advertisement for our company, so that more companies, more potential customers learn about us. I think that strengthens the TSI Solutions brand in the marketplace, and the fact that we are involved and engaged and supporting GMA makes a very powerful statement about us as a company.